most important thing you can do right now is sign up for MEXC. You got giving away $9,100. You must use the link in the description to get half price trading fees. Real quick, you can go over to cryptorev.net. You want to join the regular CBC spot trading group, the gem picks, learn how to trade. You start here. 60% discount. We're about to raise the prices. Leverage trading group is unbelievable. The leverage trading group, just the live trades alone, and I'm calling out the moves, and we're nailing the take profit levels. And so you can join with both of these buttons on cryptorev.net. Now you can pay with a credit card 6 months or for 12 months, and you get a month free. All right, thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. This is an all-night stream. I've been up all night trying to nail down a meeting time for the leverage group because we run 24 hours a day. So I had to have Colombia, Australia, West Coast Canada, East Coast US all together. And it was, here I am, awake still, ready to get some sleep. But I've got to bring you the news and what's happening with Bitcoin. As soon as I posted the video last night, I posted this. Downside was imminent. A good friend of mine, very proficient shorter, shorted the bull trap. Critical support must hold, and it didn't, and Bitcoin broke to the downside. So pay attention, I said, pay attention. I can make a video 4 hours later and the market does something completely different. And I told you exactly what I was looking at. When the bulls get traps, the bulls get punished, and here we are. So let's jump right into the market. Number one, leverage trading group. You can pay with credit card 6 months or 12 months. You get a month free. Join MEXC Global, game changer. The biggest thing is you've got to be in the right coins. You've got to understand how to make money in this market. And if you don't, you cannot win. You're not going to take somebody else's money if you don't know how to play the game. This is a game. Other people take your money. It's player versus player, period. Now, to update this idea, you have this low, higher low, and then the bulls need to hold this level. And this creates kind of a ascending triangle possibility. Could be a rising wedge as well. But you need to see the bulls show up and buy strong here down at this level and then push higher, and then you're in this range. You got to break and flip 31,800. It hasn't happened yet. How many times have I told you that if you break to the downside here, you short it? There's no signal been given. You're working in a range. If you notice, you have these huge drops to the downside and then massive spikes to the upside because these are bear traps. Huge drops to the downside, massive bear traps, and huge pumps. Again, slow, steady decline and pump. Did you get some type of falling wedge in here and then a break to the upside? The most important thing is your trades right here. You can long the bounce. You can short the breakdown. Bitcoin's going to lower prices, 25,000, 23,800. This is the Bitcoin daily chart. The 3-day cross of the 21 simple and the 200 are in play. The bulls must show up here. We have changed the game completely, where the leverage trades have seen the biggest winners. You've got to learn to trade both ways. You will make life-changing money. You've got to build your bags while this market is choppy and sideways. Ethereum dumping. Monday morning, what do you see? See volatility. And Ethereum doesn't look amazing. You could bearishly retest. It's real close. If it doesn't break above this level, you're coming down further. We talked about the exact idea of 1780. 1780. Watch this channel, join the group, change your life, period. The ultimate Bitcoin plan is 31,800 needs to break and hold. Basically add You open up 100% of your position here, you double your position here, and this thing takes off 45,000. I said, don't get caught. Plan B, plan A. This is not predicting. This is not a crystal ball. I just feel like people still at this point, like, what are you doing in this market if you don't understand these ideas? Because this market will take your money. You're not going to take my money if you don't know how to play the game. This is player versus player, period. You're trading against the elite. Now, this thing breaks to the downside. 24,000, 22,000, 20,000 in the cards. You need to see a strong bounce where all the buyers are at right here, and then push through with volume, break this level, and continue higher. Bitcoin dominance has been lackluster. This is just a gauge. When this thing makes a major move, you'll see a big move out of Bitcoin. You don't know the direction, but it gives you the timing, right? I've had this green circle here for an extended period of time, weeks, and it's been slowly working. The price action loves to chase my green circles. United States FSC chairman proposes bills for regulating crypto and stablecoins. House Financial Services Committee, chaired by Representative Patrick Henry, told that they're going to have a markup session on July the 26th to discuss several cryptocurrency bills. They want to create a regulatory framework for digital assets, which exempts blockchain developers from acquiring licenses if they don't deal in cryptos. The focus of markup HR 4766, they're seeking regulatory clarity for stablecoins intended for payments. U.S. Representative French Hill emphasized that establishing a regulatory framework will protect investors and prevent financial fraud. A lot of the same. Nothing's in place yet. It's all a waiting game in the United States. Top 5 cryptocurrencies to buy under 10 cents in August. What do you think? Dogecoin? Here's Dogecoin. Elon Musk obviously renaming Twitter with an X, and Dogecoin could see, at 8 cents, they say is a strong buy, as long as Bitcoin doesn't roll over. XDC. This is decentralized application development blockchain platform, which also witnessed bullish movement with even more impressive gains in Dogecoin. And so XDC, something to make note of. Tron, TRX, found itself in the spotlight over a report indicating that multiple networks in the Middle East used Tether on the Tron network in the Middle East. However, the controversy only seemed to strengthen TRX's position in crypto. And now they're like Tron at 8 cents. Notice this pump. And then it's completely retraced. And that's welcome to crypto. Welcome to altcoins. Kaspa. So GhostDAG protocol-based proof-of-work platform Kaspa has been moving in an upward trajectory, possibly thanks to the widespread speculation and anticipation regarding the project's potential smart contract integration, which has warranted an increase in chatter in the crypto community. So Kaspa was down a little bit, but you see it had to put in a strong bounce. I look at these charts and I cannot see enough. I want to know, I can't chart a weekly chart. You've got to get Tradingview, go to the description, get Tradingview, sign up for Pro, and change the game completely. How can you possibly come up with any ideas along these terms? A 1 week chart. Casper Network, the proof of stake enterprise center blockchain Casper Network, recently made a bullish breakout, ending up at the price target of 4 cents. It's slowing down and returning back to a little bit under 4 cents. The company announced it's tokenizing and listing equity shares in INX broker-dealer platform, as well as a major update to its wallet. So Casper's current price reflects a decrease of 3.14%, 24 hours. One thing I have seen, and I'm going to test out, I've got an exchange that for spot trading Told you it would take. Binance got shut down. It took some time to see where the whales took their money. It's not on Kucoin. There's an exchange that I'm going to announce tomorrow, possibly later tonight. Whales have moved their money to this exchange. This is the exchange you need to make a spot trading account on. MEXC is great for leverage. Spot is free trading on MEXC. No brainer. If you want to trade tiny little coins, you can hold MX tokens on MEXC and you just get tons of airdrops. DeFi has been really hot. Bitcoin, slow, steady crawl, hasn't been amazing. And so one of the most important things you have to do right now is maintain your mindset. You do not want to see Bitcoin break this trend line, because if so, nuke city, and you'll short all the altcoins that we've been talking about. All the altcoins get hit hard when Bitcoin rolls over. Tons of amazing shout outs in the trading group. Pushed it out early. Trading group, it's follow the leader. Here's your trade. You have a person live leading you through the trade. They open the trade, discuss the ideas why they took the trade. You hit take profit 1 and you hear someone say take profit level hit, take profit level 2, take profit level hit. You need to move your stop into break even levels, so that worst case scenario, you break even and you're already in profit. Best way to trade this market right now when you're learning, start with small amounts and let us hold your hand and walk you through these trades, period. The bulls must hold this level. Just think about the guy on the last video commented like, dude, do you know what you're talking about? And I'm like thinking, okay, you've got a price drop from 29,500 to 29,000. You got a $500 price drop. And I already told you that the bulls got to show up here and then put in a bounce. And this bounce needs to go higher than this previous high, because you got a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. You've got to grow your bags right now. Number one, you got decreasing volume on decreasing price. Reversal ideas are intact, but the bulls have to show up here. Don't get caught in some breakdown of this. This is where you short. You go on MEXC and you short the breakdown and you make money going both ways. There's a point where you graduate to leverage trading, small amounts, 3x, 5x, using $25, $50, and you practice. They even have a free account where for free you could practice trading. If you do not learn this, I'm telling you, next bear market is altcoin season upside down. If this breaks lower, there's a ton of money to be made going both directions. We have a lot of people in the group that trade shorter term time frames where you can make a ton of money on these smaller moves, but we just haven't seen, besides this breakdown, we haven't seen a lot of price moves out of Bitcoin, and it's been a little bit slow going. However, we still nail the bangers. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.